Hello everyone. Today I wanted to share with you how do I prep my wooden panels before I do my pouring. So you can see these are already prepped. Sometimes I use 1/8 thickness of panels, and sometimes I use 1/4 thickness panels. It depends on what I could buy from Amazon. So once I buy them, before I pour on them, I prep them by painting on them using a paint and a primer in one. This is something I bought from Home Depot. These are Whoops paints, and it doesn't matter what color they are. Mine happen to be a kind of like a chocolate color, but it can be any color, to be honest with you, because when you put the pillow paints, they are pretty thick and opaque because they are house paints, so they will cover up any color base you have. In my base coat, I have added some GAC 800 and also some Floetrol. I did not measure how much I pour each one of them exactly, but I can tell you that if I am guessing, probably 10 parts of paint, I added 1 part of GAC 800 and also 1 part or 1.5 part of Floetrol. I also added tiny bit of water. When you saw me spinning earlier, if you saw that if you are spinning and your paint is not spreading, that means probably your paint is a little too thick, so you have to add a little bit of water to your paint. As you can see, I am working really hard to make sure that in the center of my panel I don't have much paint left, because if you have too thick of a paint, it will spread on the sides when you spin and you have your patterns, and or you might end up with cracks in the center. So it's extremely important that you make sure that there's not much paint left in the center. Also, I want you to notice that when I make videos, it's important you see my mistakes as well my success, because it shows you what to do for my next pour. When I spread out my paint, I did not add or I did not leave extra paint on the sides of my panel, which will carry my pattern to spread out all the way. And you'll see the results of that mistake on this piece at the end. This is the time you will be checking if your composition is balanced in the center and you have equal amount of space left on each side of your panel. And also I can see that there are some places that I did not blow the cell activator properly. I am using a boba straw to blow those specific spots to balance it out. Now let's have some fun.